In today's video, I have a huge haul to share with you guys. I'm super excited. I love the purchases that I got. If you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and if you're new here, I upload beauty videos. I know that this is a haul video, but I have beauty in here, so we're gonna still consider it a beauty video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know that that's something that I say a lot, but it really does help my channel, so I'd greatly appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to stick around and see whenever I upload, which usually is about once a week now, feel free to stick around and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload beauty videos. So a big long introduction. If you want to stick around and subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see what I got, make sure you keep on watching. I'm kind of into this really glam makeup with this t-shirt. The first thing that I got, you can kind of tell from the title, but I went shopping with my friend Sarah, and like she didn't shop with me the whole day, but after we went our separate ways, I continued to do more shopping. She had other plans, and I literally only bought one thing. I only spent $1 after she was no longer with me. So like take that with you as you will. But I'm joking around. Like I really wanted these things. I really love my purchases. You'll kind of see, but that's just something ironic that I felt the need to point out. The first thing that I got from Ross, so I have things to share from Ross, Marshall's, Homegoods, and Ulta. Yes, those are the places. And then also I got a book from a thrift store. That's the $1 that I spent whenever I was no longer with you, Sarah. First of all, this shirt from Ross. I get Ross and Marshall's confused because their logos are both blue. Please tell me I'm not the only one. If that is you, I don't know, or do you at least see my logic? I have to really think about what this store is. Like HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, those are red. So that's easy for me, but Marshall and Ross both being blue confuses my brain. I don't know. The first thing I got was the first thing I'm gonna share was from Ross, and is this t-shirt, and I have been looking for like a wildflower, I know that these are sunflowers, but a t-shirt along this vibe for over a year. And this was only $9 from Ross, and it says Vincent van Gogh, and I just loved it so much. This is different than my aesthetic, I feel like. So like part of me was like, I don't know, do I love it? But I just think I need to get used to it more, and it's definitely something that I've been looking for. Oh, also let me just stand up because the other thing from Ross that I have to share is a picture. So yeah, and I want to show you the jeans that I got because I finally did exchange those for a different size, and I want to talk about that for a little bit. Okay, so I know that I've showed these before. These are the American Eagle jeans. I did exchange them for a larger size. This is not, okay, cool. I did exchange these for a larger size, which was just my regular size. I mentioned I did size down. Originally, whenever I bought these, I think I bought these on Black Friday, and I got the long length, which I feel like I'm fairly tall, but I know that there's obviously girls taller than me. And now that I'm thinking about it, I feel like I should have gone with regular length, but then I don't know if they would have gone all the way to my ankles, and I kind of like that length whenever they go all the way down. They just go up pretty high, but I've already exchanged these once, that I don't think I want to exchange them again. So that's where I'm at. I literally love everything else about it except for how high the waistband is, because that's just a little constricting for me. But especially for the leg area, it's super, super comfortable. Okay, so now that I have you zoomed out, the other thing that I got from Ross was this wall art. So I got this for over my love seat. I think eventually I do want to do an all over room tour, but it's still not completely together. For example, I want a small table, at least for this side, maybe one for over here, because usually I'm the only one in here watching TV. But if I have my water with me or something like that, I have to put it on the floor because I don't have a table. So I think I want a small table for that side, and then a different floor lamp, because right now I just have a floor lamp that I borrowed from my dad, but it's not totally the aesthetic that I want to go for in this room. But I am liking how this room is coming together so far, and this was only $40 from Ross, and it's a pretty good size. I feel like it's the perfect size for above my love seat, and I love this so much. It's also textured. Let me get a little bit closer so you can kind of maybe see, especially especially right here, this is textured, and this is actually all, there we go. This is all textured as well. And I just thought that this was pretty unique and I really, really like it. Like whenever I saw it, I knew that it was the one. I knew that it was the piece that I wanted for over my love seat. And I know that I did kind of spend a lot of money this one day. I'm filming this. I got this stuff yesterday, but I'm like pretty pleased with almost all of my purchases. Definitely this is one of them that I'm super pleased with. And I've been wanting to put this room together. So I'm also just happy that I'm putting this together even more. And I just felt the need to say that. Now I want to share with you the things that I got from HomeGoods. First off, I got this full-length mirror, which I don't have with me at the time, but whenever I do have it, I'll obviously insert footage of it. I am so excited. I've been wanting a full-length mirror pretty much since we moved into this house, which was in June, because there is no full-length mirror in this house, but I didn't want to settle. I wanted to be, especially because like it's obviously something that I'm gonna have for a while, I wanted to be really happy with it, and I love this one so much. It's about 6.5 feet tall and about 3 feet wide, and it was only $80. Like that's a pretty good deal, and I think that it matches like my aesthetic for this room and this room in general. I got that from HomeGoods, I think I've already shared, but it just was not going to fit in my car, so I'm going to need someone else to go pick that up for me and bring it back. So, but yeah, I did already purchase it, and then I just did a delay to pick up, and I'm super excited to put that in here because I know where it's going to go. It's going to go in this corner right over here because my TV is along this wall, and then my full-length mirror is going to go in this corner, and I just think it's going to be beautiful, and I'm so excited. Also, I'm wearing a sweater, whatever, with gray sweatpants because it's very cold, and that's just the outfit that we're going with. Also, if you noticed on the back of the background in the video, and if you didn't, now you're going to notice this tape is here because that's where I want shelves to go. So that is that explained. Now I'm gonna take things out of this bag so there's not like the constant rustling. Okay, so from HomeGoods, I got a lotion that I already gave to my mom. Then I've been wanting under eye masks or hydrogel eye patches, I guess, whatever you want to call these. I'm completely out, I'm pretty sure now, so I've been wanting some of these because I have pretty dark circles, and especially for like Sunday mornings, whenever I kind of maybe have like a little bit longer to do my makeup and like do a full face of glam makeup, I, you know, like to have these on for underneath my eyes while I'm doing my eye makeup, because these ones you don't have to rinse off afterwards. I mean, I guess like I could still use them if I rinsed them off afterwards. I'm just doing my eye makeup, you know? But I did use one of these this morning, and I can't really remember like if the effects were super dramatic, but I mean, this is also like a form of self-care, and it's just something that I've been wanting. So these were only $3.99 for 5, so that's a pretty good deal. Next up, I got these sheet masks. I really like sheet masks as well. This one is a vitamin C collagen essence mask. I'm excited to try these. They are made in Korea as well, and this was only $3.99 for 5 of them, which is also a really good deal because I love sheet masks, but sometimes they can be kind of expensive. So I liked that these were vitamin C, and I'm at the point where like I could justify getting some more sheet masks because obviously I don't want to have, you know, a lot at once. I want to like be able to obviously, I feel like have like a reasonable amount of sheet masks is what I'm trying to say. So I could justify getting those. Next up, my friend found these from my friend Sarah. I already mentioned that I went shopping with her. So I've been wanting thank you notes, and I'm just glad like I'm at the point, like I just feel like I'm an adult now. I mean, I've been an adult, but like getting thank you, maybe you're not like this too, but to me, getting thank you notes is an adult thing to do. And I just thought that they were so pretty. It's this rose gold and pink, and I know that they're super girly, and it just has like constellations. Like here's the either Big Dipper or Little Dipper. Hopefully you can see, and it's not like super reflective. Maybe will it be too much to open these up? Anyway, you get 12 of them for $3.99. So that's also a really, really good deal. And I'm super happy about this. I'm trying to open it so you can maybe try to see it a little bit better. Oh, and also like this bluish color, like this is just very much my aesthetic. Now I know it's rose gold and not like silver because I do love cool toned, but the rose gold is, you know, I also like pink as well. I want blush pink to be my accent color in this room. Anyway, so here's what the card looks like. I think it's just, yeah, it's just completely blank on the inside, and it's just so pretty. Like Like, I love this. I think it's super pretty, but also super cute. And then here's the envelope. I didn't realize that. Oh, okay, so like the envelope is actually like, it's like this blush pink, but also has like white like specks on it. Just super cute, the whole thing. It just so cute, wow. Thank you, Sarah, for finding those. And then she also found, oh, I did not put that on correctly. Let me close this up. Then she also found this notebook, and I like having notebooks to, you know, obviously write down my ideas, whether it be like YouTube videos or just, you know, write down things. And oh, it has a pocket on the inside as well. This was on clearance. This was $4. These are my favorite notebooks. Like, let me just show you. These are my favorite notebooks, and I pretty much get from like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, like that kind of vibe. And that you should see that being the case based on the fact that I have 4 right here. This one was my YouTube notebook. This one is almost completely used up. I did vote. And then this one is also, I've used a lot on this one as well. These stickers were from a Saturday Skin sheet masks, and they're just so cute, I think. I haven't started using this one yet, but it has like the rose gold accent, and on the, like the lined, wait, no, not on this one. It has the pocket on the inside as well. And then this one says amazing things will happen, and just like the forest, like it's black. Like, I loved the aesthetic of this one as well. I've only used this one time, and like, did I need another notebook? No, but I mean, it says grow at your own pace, and there's plants, and I love plants. So I usually like the more like a neutral vibe. I know that this one was mint green, but this one I've had for a long time. I usually like the neutral vibe, but I am pretty happy with getting this as well. And the fact that it was on clearance, and the fact that there's plants on here. I mean, but yeah, those are my favorite notebooks. They're from the brand Fringe, in case you're wondering. Apparently it's designed in California. Also, wait, no, yeah. Also, so from Marshalls, I got some biker shorts, and then I think that might have been it from Marshalls. The lotion was also from Marshalls that I got for my mom, and then I just got some biker shorts and I liked these because they have pockets, the pockets on the side as well. Before I go to Ulta, the one thing that I got whenever I wasn't shopping with Sarah was the 1 Minute Manager. That I got this at a thrift store, and it was only $1, and it's hardback. And it's like another one of those books that I think I should be able to read pretty quickly. I felt like this video was gonna be longer than it is, but I guess I'm just, you know, going by pretty quick. For Ulta, I had a gift card, so that was like a little bit of a justification because I did spend a lot of money yesterday. So I've been kind of recently realizing, and haha, I say this as I have a warm-toned eyeshadow look on today, but I have mostly like warm-toned lip colors and eyeshadow palettes, and this one is actually both, so it has warm tones and cool tones, and this is from Ulta Beauty. This is the Black Widow eyeshadow palette. I got this on clearance. Originally it was $20, and I got it on sale for $10. I looked at this a lot. I'm pretty sure Sarah might have pointed this one out as well. I liked this because it had a matte black, and I don't think I have any matte blacks. This was also a really interesting color to me as well, this one right here. And I do have, like, obviously different colors on my lid, but I did use Fighter as my transition shade, and then I used Safe House as my brow bone highlight. I also really liked the colors Covert and Power. I have swatched Sabotage. Now granted, like, I don't know, just like based on swatching, I wasn't totally in love with it, but if I don't love like all 12 of the eyeshadows, to me that's okay, as you know, especially because Infiltrate was kind of a unique color. It's a duochrome. And then I have swatched Relentless, and that one was also really pretty. But yeah, I just like kept on like looking at this palette, and especially for $10, I really wanted to try it out. And also, I don't think I've tried any shadows from Ulta Beauty, so I was pretty excited about that. Also from clearance, I got this body exfoliating gel body scrub. So this was a really interesting concept to me, and I've kind of been wanting a body scrub as well, and I love the Body Shop. The Body Shop Shea is my all-time favorite lotion, or at least for the last like while, it's been my favorite lotion, and I didn't want to get that because it was buy one get one 40% off, which isn't horrible, but It still isn't super inexpensive. I don't know. But this was on clearance. Originally it was $24 and I got this for $6. And it's kind of like a pretty like fine exfoliator. It's not, I didn't think it would like felt super harsh, but it's literally like a jelly consistency. Like, isn't that just super unique? And it is in the shade Cactus Blossom. It's in the scent Cactus Blossom. And then I haven't swatched this yet, so I will have to take this out of the packaging. So this was $5. This was also cool toned, so this was allowed, you know, in my mind. This was a liquid glitter shadow in the shade Disco Queen from e.l.f. There was like a more silver one. Let me try to get this out of the packaging. There was a more silver one, and then this one had like a duochrome, and it was just more unique to me. So I really wanted to try it out. And hopefully it's pretty. Okay, so it's like it's kind of a little bit more chalky, I guess, than I was expecting, but also it was only $5. So I guess for that, I would probably use this more as like a topper. I do like the colorful, it has colorful glitter in it. I don't know if you can see or not, but yeah, I wanted to try that out. If you liked this haul video, I think you'll also really like this video right here. Just click right there to check it out. Once again, I really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you did like this video, and feel free to stick around and subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.